John Lennon sang "Instant Karma's Gonna Getcha." Well, it certainly got these people. And ended up red-faced when his getaway car got stuck in the snow.
You're done. Cops is coming.
This guy tried to get into a driver's face, but then a metal pole got into his. This package thief was caught red-handed.
Yeah, that's done. You're done.
Don't do it to someone who can arrest you.
Bullshit!
If you're gonna get drunk and interrupt a TV interview, then this was about to turn into a violent example of road rage. The problem with annoying people on trains is there's a door on them. Bye-bye. But then the universe decided to say, nope. You can't make an omelet without breaking a few eggs. And it's also an original way to tell a driver you're upset with them.
More eggs.
Yes, the fire service doesn't just put out fires. If you park in front of a hydrant, they'll also put out your windows. If you've just managed to fish your phone out of a pit of feces, then there's only one way to celebrate. By throwing it into a pit of feces. If you get violent with nature, then nature might get violent with you.
Do you know the Pythagoras theorem to the nearest
Yeah,
5 decimal place?
3.147 is certainly the first 4 digits.
So,
That's five!
Pythagoras theory.
It's the study into black holes.
No, I'm not interested in that, sorry.
Do you know Pythagoras' theorem to the nearest 5 decimal places?
Do you?
What's your favorite color?
If you abuse an animal, then you deserve to have your genitals ripped apart. Oh, he's done it himself. Parking space. And it looks like they'll be parking there for a long time. This is a pretty unfair way to get the best part. Touch my ass? Well, I'm gonna kick yours. The people on this boat wouldn't turn their music down, so these two jet skiers decided to do what jet skiers do best. This cyclist had been spitting on this car salesman's vehicles every day. And revenge is a dish best served cold. If you're a cyclist, it's best not to mess around with buses. Well, not if you want your wheels to remain round. When you can't quite manage the long and treacherous journey to the dumpster. Here's a man who's almost as good as lying as he is at stealing packages.
I was just coming. I'm with UPS. I'm with UPS. I was gonna go to your neighbors. Swear to God, look it up.
In other words, not at all. If a sheep has been bullying you, then try having a swimming pool installed. They hate that. Even motorcycles know that plant theft is wrong. Ah, there's nothing like that feeling when you know you're gonna win. And then you don't. Yeah, toll roads can be pretty expensive, but probably not as expensive as 12 new tires. Who's this girl? And why isn't she a professional footballer? This guy can't quite reach that light. Thank God for the long arm.
I want to feel like it's raining on me, okay?
And now he knows how those packages felt. Only the most expensive cars are fitted with a rectal probe. Terms of the law. When two kinds of trash fall over.
How about that?
Even Disney characters have boundaries. If you're gonna start a snowball fight, then don't do it with two guys who have unlimited amounts of the melted version.
You funky little bastards!
What was stolen?
My wallet. I had to replace all my IDs, my earpiece, and a calculator.
There was no earpiece in the mail.
I love it. Judging for the plaintiff for the amount of $500. That's what I think it's worth, madam.
This guy's a 21st century Robin Hood. He goes around giving people guns. As Nicolas Cage's character in The Wicker Man would tell you, you should never mess with the bees. This is a New Zealand wood pigeon version of saying, "Get off my lawn." When attempted animal cruelty results in bike abuse.
Get back from the Queen's Guard!
This woman tried to steal someone's package, but ended up signing for a delivery of pain. It's nice to see someone who's just flipped the bird flipping over into the dirt. There are many things you can plant into the soil, but this cop decided to plant drugs right next to a suspect. After not being paid for their work, despite asking 5 times, these gardeners decided to create their own instant karma. Cats have 9 lives, but this guy only had 1 and destroy their own hard work. Shirt. Hey, officer? I think it's supposed to look like that. Well, that's much more effective than clamping, and much more permanent. When road rage meets middle age. This woman was so happy to receive her new phone that she immediately trashed the old one. Oops. This woman's iPhone is so embarrassed by her behavior that it tries to drown itself. Never bring water to a bright red soda fight. This is a good example of why you should always look behind you. That's why God invented necks. This is what happens when you push a judo black belt into the pool. When man meets machine, things can get really petty. When abused skateboards fight back. Some people seem to attract police officers like a light bulb attracts moths. Oh, it's your bike. Well, I'll just lie here in the street until you decide to cycle away then. That's right, my friend. The universe loves the trash more than you. Treat the streets like a trash can, and karma will treat your car like a dumpster. This truck driver was about to engage in some road rage, but then... Don't rely on the universe being in balance to catch each new video. Avoid bad karma by hitting subscribe.